So today I'm going to talk about the Barbuzzo Mystic Pint Glass. So this is a drinking glass with a built-in fortune teller. It's really cool. It allows you to drink some beer or whatever you want to put in it and then read your future at the same time. So it has two functions. You can ask it yes or no questions and then shake it or drink your whatever you're drinking, and then you can kind of see what it says, like the answer, or you can just drink beer or whatever you drink. We'll stick to beer. It is made out of durable plastic. It's like clear plastic. And then you have this thing. It does not detach, so you can't like take it out for when you clean it. It is made out of food-safe plastic. Barbuzzo also sells different barware and gifts. They try to like combine fun and like humorous things, and then they also try to add really like good functionality. So it's really nice to have something that's practical but also fun, especially if you have guests over. And I love their products. It's a very creative gift idea if someone likes this kind of thing. It was a gift for my anniversary from my boyfriend about a month ago, and I had never heard of it before that. I have been drinking like beer mostly out of it. It is sturdy, it's clear plastic, and it has this floating 20-sided die, so that means 20 possible outcomes. And here are a few: yes, no, can't say now, very likely, prospect, good, you can count on it, unlikely, chances aren't good, consult me later, no doubt about it, absolutely, so it shall be, indications say yes, cannot foretell now, looks like yes, don't bet on it, answer unclear, ask later, positively, the stars say no, focus and ask again. It's great at parties. I really love this as kind of an icebreaker, or just giving it to a guest and having them play around with it is really fun, and passing it around. Obviously you clean it in between uses. And the other thing is, it's easy to drink a lot because you have to, the rules say that you have to drink the entire glass bottoms up to read it. So when you set it back down, you can see what it says. So for an example, let's see, am I going to be rich and famous? Let's say I'm drinking it. And it says, don't bet on it. Aw, that's too bad. But you get it, that's how it works. It's a lot like the Magic 8-Ball. It works in the same way, where there's a floating die and you get to read whatever it says when you turn it upside down and shake it. It's definitely in good condition. I didn't get it too long ago, but there aren't any scratches on it or any cracks or anything like that. I keep it in my kitchen with my other glassware, and it's bulky, not something I would really travel with. It's easy to drink out of, but not easy to clean. It's not dishwasher safe, and I hand wash things anyway, so that didn't really matter to me, but it's hard to get like a cloth down there to wash this part out under here, and this thing doesn't seem to be removable, and so that's the only real downside, I would say. Avoid sticky drinks, and especially like if you have a sticky drink, you need to clean it out right away, because it will be a lot harder to get out right after you use it. So it's 27 ounces. It's very lightweight. Obviously, when you add your contents to it, it will be a little bit heavier. It's pretty easy to hold and grip onto. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.